Hi guys, I am Chekwa and I am back again with Maths XYZ, and today we will be doing an example on box and whisker diagram. Then we are doing box and whisker. Suppose we are given a data set 1,4, 5.7, 9.2, 5,8, 3.4, 4.7, 7,1, 11.5, and 7,1 again. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means that our n is equals to 9. Remember, I told you that when you are doing statistics, it's better if you're given a data set not in an ordered form. You must write your data in an ordered form to make it easy for when answering the question. Then to write this data in an ordered form, that will be 1,4, which is the first one. The next one, it will be 3,4, and then 4,7, and then 5.7. And from 5,7 you can tell that it's 5.8. That's the next one. 7,1, 7,1 again. That means 7,1, if we were asked to do a mode, this one, the 7,1 was going to be a mode because it's the common number in our data set. It's repeated. So that would be 9.2 and then 11,5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have to draw a box and whisker diagram. So the first thing that we do when we have to draw the box and whisker diagram is to find our minimum value, of which from this ordered data set the minimum value is 1,4. Then we have to find the lower quartile, of which to find the position of the lower quartile, it's n plus 1 divided by 4, of which it will be 9 plus 1 divided by 4, which it will give us 9,1 divided by 4. It will give us, let me just find out, sorry, quickly guys, calculator, 9 plus 1 divided by 4. That means that our lower quartile is between 2 and 3, is 2,5. Then we just add these two, which is 3,4 plus 4,7 divided by 2. Then those two, it will give us 4,05. This is our lower quartile. Then our median, which is the middle number of the ordered data set. We have a data set of which it's 9. That means that our middle number, to find it, we use an equation, n plus 1 divided by 2, of which that will be 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Then we just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is our median, and that means that our median is 5,8. Then to find our upper quartile, which is Q3, sorry, let me just write Q3 once, which is Q3. To find our upper quartile, we then use an equation to find its position. It's A3 n plus 1 divided by 4. Alright guys, this one is no longer writing correct nicely. Let me just use this other one. Then here it will be 3 into n plus 1, that will be 10 divided by 4, of which it will give us the position of the upper quartile range. It will be 30 divided by 4. It should be between 7 and 8 because it's 7.5. Then this is number 5, 6, 7, and 8. That means that we just add the 2, which is 7,1 plus 9,2 divided by 2, of which we will get 8, I mean to say 8,15. This one is our upper quartile. Then the last thing that we must get is our maximum value. It's our maximum value, which is the highest number of the data set, of which for this one it's 11,5. It's equals to 11,5. So the numbers that are in here, this is our minimum, this is our median, this is our maximum value. And another thing, between those two we also have 4,05, which is our Q1, and between 6, 7, and 8 we also have our upper quartile range. no, our upper quartile, I mean to say. Then these are the numbers that we need to construct our box and whisker diagram. Then let me just erase this so that I can have a space to draw our box and whisker diagram. All right. Alright, when you are doing a box and whisker diagram, you must always make sure that you draw it into scale. But right now, I'm just going to do a rough sketch of, and to just have an idea of how it will look like. Alright, I must have something from 1 up until 12. Okay, guys. When you draw this, you must use a ruler. With scale so that you have your box and whisker diagram with scale. That will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, the first number, which is our minimum value, is about 1,4, which is about there. And the next number, which is our lower quartile, is 4,05, which is around there. This is our lower quartile. And our median is 5,8, which is somewhere there. This is just a rough sketch, guys, because this thing is not drawn into scale, remember. And then our upper quartile is 8,15, it will be somewhere there. And our maximum value, it will be 11,5, which is somewhere there. Then to draw this, you just extend this line, it's somewhere there, right? Then we'll have minimum value there. Okay. Alright, you can see this is how it looks like. So from here, this is our minimum value. You must just label them out. This is our Q1, our Q2, our Q3, and then that's our maximum value. Alright, this is our box and whisker diagram. Guys, when you are constructing a box and whisker diagram, given a data set, the first thing that you must do, you must write your data in an ordered form so that when you have to answer question, it becomes easy. Then the first thing that you must find out is your minimum value, of which is just the lowest number in your ordered data set. Then the second thing, you must find your lower quartile, of which to find the position of the lower quartile, you use n+1 divided by 4. That just only gives you the position of the lower quartile, and from there you calculate the lower quartile. And then to find the median is the middle number of the ordered data set. Then to find its position, you use n+1 divided by 2 to find the position. Then from there you have to find the upper quartile, which is the median of the upper group of the ordered data set, of which to find the position is 3 open brackets n+1 close brackets divided by 4 so that you can find the position of the upper quartile. Then from there you have to find your maximum value, of which is the highest number of the ordered data set. Then you have to draw your box and whisker diagram on scale so that you can have a better view of how it will the skewing of the diagram. Like for example, here I can tell that this graph already is skewing to the right because the mean is actually greater. The mean and the median, they are not equal if I have to just look at that, but I can't really tell because this diagram has not been drawn to scale. Then when you draw your diagram into scale, you will have numbers on the timeline, then you put dots, and after that you connect them like this. And you must also remember to label your diagram, like your minimum, your lower quartile, your median, your upper quartile, and your maximum value. From here we have constructed our box and whisker diagram for the data set that we have been given. I hope you guys understood this session, and if you have any question or comment, just put it in the comment note, then we'll have a follow-up on it. And remember to subscribe to Maths XYZ so that you can get daily notification when we upload videos. And remember to share also with your friends, your family, your classmates, and your loved ones. All right, thank you guys.